handheld dialing something. I was just about to comment that the new nickname for these cars on Twitter is a swastika because of Musk's salute. That's probably not very fair though. I saw the dialed numbers on his phone. Yes, I can definitely see it. We're going to nip around the back here. Alpha Foxtrot 22DLO. Clearly holding the phone in his left hand, and just when I first caught up to him I was noticing the dial screen. He's talking.